Hi everyone, it's Angela. Today we are going to create a window replacement quiz funnel together using Landerlab. Let's get into it. And as you can see on my screen, I do have my landing page ready. And I'm heading to Elements, drag and drop the quiz element to my landing page, and let's create it from scratch together. In today's quiz, we're going to use conditional logic, and this way we can generate more qualified leads. Thanks to this, and with the first question, I want to start with, are you a homeowner? Going to delete this, and I will search for a multiple choice. And do this as yes, I am. No, I am a tenant. The label. I will head to navigation and then to validation. Make this a required field so they cannot skip this. And here on navigation, I will choose conditional. And by this, I will want to add a new step. And if they choose the option no, we are not interested in those leads. So we are going to say, sorry, we only work with homeowners. I'm updating my step name, so I will have this easier once I set up conditional logic on the first step. And in the case that they are going to choose that, yes, I am a homeowner, they are going to continue the flow normally. So let's continue doing that. If we turn this toggle on here, once they click, they choose their number, they will be automatically redirected to the next step. So you don't really have to do anything here. And let's go to layout type and choose how we want to show this. Okay. The next question. I'm doing the same thing for this step here. And finally, let's gather the information. Or let's ask them, let us know more about you. And now let's add first name, last name, phone number, email address, and finally, zip code. If you're interested to ask for this, if the zip code is important to you can ask this on the very first step. However, let's continue. I'm going to leave this United States. Let's head here to email, update the placeholder here, and now submit button so we can gather our leads. Okay, head here to navigation. What happens after they click submit? I'm going to make this next step. So, because I want to add something here. Thanks. We will reach out to you soon. This way they know they have completed this and that we will be in touch with them very soon. And let's go back to step number 1. Head to navigation and now choose conditional yes. Okay, now let's run the test. And let's start off with now I am a tenant. As you can see, sorry, we only work with homeowners, which was one of our conditionals. Let's reload this. And let's run another one with it. Yes, I am. As you can see, I'm going now through all the steps that we set up on our quiz funnel. And this is the final step here. Thank you. We will reach out to you soon. And this was very easy to create on Landerlab and only took me a couple of minutes. I hope that you found this helpful and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.